Your engine mounts have a big job. They support the weight of the engine and keep it securely attached to the chassis. If you suspect your engine mounts are going bad, an engine movement test will help you be certain. When you're ready to test your mounts, conducting an engine movement test is simple. Park on a flat surface, open the hood and engage your parking brake. Start the engine and shift into drive. Observe the engine movement while pressing the gas pedal. Small movements are normal, but large movements or lunging indicates a problem. Engine mount replacement is something you can do yourself with the right tools and a little know-how. The typical cost for OEM Toyota engine mounts is only a few $100s, and replacement can be done in a few hours' time. Follow the link in the description below for more information on Toyota engine mounts from Olathe Toyota Parts Center.